Hey, welcome to Dark Dave Shop. This is Dark Dave. I'm here at Old Glory Harley Davidson because they're having a breakfast today, and I was told, come on in and let's try some pancakes. Now first, go ahead and introduce yourself.
My name is Lori, and I am a Harley Angel promo.
You're the promo itself?
No, girl.
Oh, you're a promo girl. Okay. So tell me a little bit about what's going on today.
So every weekend we have customer appreciation events. Everything's free. What we cook, it just depends on the month or the event, but it's always posted on the website, Facebook, IG.
Could you tell us the Facebook page? oldglory.com or Facebook / Old Glory?
Yeah, if you just type in Old Glory Harley Davidson, it will pull it up in the search engine on Facebook.
Okay, so what are we doing today? What exactly was the thing today?
Today is the pancake customer appreciation. So we have regular pancakes, chocolate chip, blueberry, and we also have sausage.
Oh, and by the way, you guys saw the picture. I ate some, really good. I kind of spilled the syrup. It's okay, someone else cleaned it up because I don't lean over well.
Yes, I cleaned it up.
All right, is there anything else you could tell us about this particular dealership that you want to share? Because you are one of the angels here.
Yes, we actually just got a huge stock of bikes in. I ride myself.
What do you ride? If you say that, you know you gotta say what you ride.
I have a Road King Special.
Okay.
So come down because they have every model on the floor right now. A lot of different colors. So.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Silver dollar, or do we want like the real thing?
Just go for it. Silver dollar is going to cook better.
I'm not, an expert, so sorry.
It's okay. When your picture doesn't have a point, if they have a point, they pour a lot better.
As long as they don't touch. Don't touch.
It's fine.
No, if they touch, there's ways to fix that.
We can fix that.
So we've got, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this with the music, but we got Allison. And we have, she doesn't have a name tag?
Lori.
Lori. And they've got enough syrup here to kill a horse.
Yep.
We've got butter, we've got orange juice.
Butter or syrup.
Hey, you know his name's not Pepe, right?
All right, so we're going to be having breakfast here in a minute. These lovely ladies are making us breakfast.
Oh, look at it. Look, put the extension cord inserted.
Go on. We're having sausage and pancakes.
We all saw your video.
Oh, you did?